My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I attempted to do the process with myself in order to see, as A was talking about, like when we get the connection, the app in our phone, because I've been doing that with mine, but I don't even remember how I got it in the first place. So it's just that welcome aboard email. So that I guess that like connects everything.
Were you asking how to, like, you don't remember how to get the link to the app in the first place?
Yeah,
Um,
like when we're
I don't know if,
onboarding.
yeah, so if you go to, I don't know if you just answered your own question or not, but I'll just show you real fast just in case. But, and this might help Olive as well. But anyway, in your client sub account, you'll just go
Hmm.
down to where it says mobile app down here towards the bottom.
Okay.
And then you can either copy these links if you know your client has like an iPhone or an Android, or if you don't know, no worries. You could just
Oh,
plug in your client's name right here. These are the users of the sub account. So you should have added your client as a user by this point already.
yes. Yes,
You'll
I have.
select them and then click send invite, and then it'll send them an invite to download the mobile app on their phone, and their login information will be the same as their login to log into the desktop. Same
Okay.
username, same password, their email, and then the password you set up for them. So anyway,
That's perfect. Thank you. Yeah, you're gonna laugh because I was trying to find the Go High Level, the Google My Business page. I'm like, where's it at? Where's it at? I can't find it. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's right there. It's reputation. So I was like, so like the mobile thing's right there. It's like right in front of my face. So that's perfect. And then
they can also just go type in their app store on Android or Apple. They can just type in LeadConnector. They can find it that way too. It's a pretty popular app since almost everybody in the GoHighLevel world uses it. It's got like, you know, hundred thousands of downloads. So,
right.
but
Okay, well,
anyway, the
cool.
links make it easy for them to know right where it's at and make sure they're downloading the right one.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. I just rather here take this and just do this to make it easy as possible so they don't mess anything up.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.